other meal is organic ground lamb that is spiced with organic turmeric and organic cinnamon and some salt and organic cilantro. And I have that with organic cucumber that my husband lovingly peels and spiralizes into noodles for me.
I cook all of Johanna's food, which is something I love to do. One of the ways that I can serve her and care for her.
And they have other ways of being romantic too.
If it's a date night, Scott and I will try to watch a show together. So he will be 3 floors below me in a room on his laptop, and I will be on mine, and we'll watch the show at the same time and then text about it as we're watching it.
Johanna is still in isolation, and it's not clear if her health will improve.
With this disease, it is all up in the air. It is all unexpected. I'm still very sick. They don't know if I will get well. And so we hope and we pray that I will. And I have had anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening allergic reaction, more times than we can keep track of. My life, could end quickly. Life is frail. It can end. Being diagnosed and becoming this ill, definitely a grieving process that I went through. I had to process through the loss of all the people that I love, that I'm no longer able to share life with in a physical sense, and had to realize, okay, what if I just stay like this, for the next 80 years? That's really hard.
I feel like we're not living in denial with what's going on, and we're absolutely committed to one another.
I can't give you anything but love, baby.
You're going to wait as long as it takes to see if there's some kind of healing that awaits.
Be wide, you shot to find happiness.
This year, Scott and Johanna are celebrating their 5th wedding anniversary.
On our wedding day, we made vows to each other that till death do us part, no matter what life brought, I vow to be your wife, to be faithful to you, to love you, to be selfless to love you. And so how can I love you, Scott, better right now when I can't even, live life with you, but I want to love you better as your wife? And he asked me that question as my husband. And so we every day try to learn more about how we can love each other, and we hold on to hope in God. And I can tell you that even if I have this till I'm 90 years old, I would be committed to my husband with that vow and still love him.
Until that lucky day, darn well, baby, I can't give you anything but love.
Love in the face of mortality. Johanna Watkins speaking to Outlook from her quarantined bedroom, while her husband Scott also spoke to us from the same house, but 3 stories down in a different room. Now, when Georges met Maryse.
Oui, c'était le coup de fou.